Atlanta, Georgia, home of the World Series champion Atlanta Braves, and also a hot spot for sound masking technology. This is Eric again, Lonestar Acoustics, and today I want to highlight an installation we just finished up in Atlanta. With this particular office, there was a mixture of private offices, open office cubicle areas, as well as a large conference room. This particular facility manufactures cabinets, and this was their front end office that was extremely quiet, where you could hear conversations from one end to the office to the other. So we took care of that, powered by the Qt100 Control Module by Biamp Cambridge Sound Management. And as you can see, this had a traditional drop tile ceiling of about 9 feet, so there was some good absorption with the tiles. The 3-inch speakers flush mounted directly into those tiles every 10 feet in the open areas, and then according to the square footage of each office. So another satisfied client for Lonestar Acoustics and another win for sound masking. We'd love to help you out as well, so feel free to reach out to us, 972-787-0808, sales@lonestaracoustics.com.